body parts. Nose.
Nose. Nose. We use our noses to smell.
Eye.
Eye. Eye.
Can you see my eyes?
Hair.
Hair. Hair.
Do you shampoo your hair every day?
Mouth.
Mouth. Mouth.
Where is your mouth? Nose.
Nose.
Eye.
Eye.
Hair.
Hair.
Mouth.
Mouth. Foot.
Foot. Foot.
We go to school on foot. Ear.
Ear. Ear.
We hear with our ears.
Foot.
Foot.
Ear.
Ear.
Arm.
Arm. Arm.
Open your arms and give someone a big hug. Finger.
Finger. Finger.
Some babies like to suck their fingers. Do you?
Arm.
Arm.
Finger.
Finger.
Head.
Head. Head.
Can you point to your head?
Hand.
Hand. Hand.
Can you open your hands?
Head.
Head.
Hand.
Hand.